This is another arm and shoulder stretch that I find actually really effective. You don't have to do it all the time, but it helps to increase mobility and function in your arms. And the most important part to remember is to always breathe. You want to, ideally, if you can, breathe in through your nose and then either breathe out through your nose or out through your mouth. If you're having any tensions or slight discomfort, you can speed up your breathing. This method's been used a lot in a lot of different aspects, from martial arts to childbirth pain control, to stress control. There's lots of different ways that this is used in the world or taught, and it's just a basic deep in. You don't want to just breathe through the top. You want to actually breathe down into the bottom of your lungs. One way I like to do that is to visualize breathing through my feet. It seems odd, but it activates different muscles. Some people like just thinking about pushing out their bellies. If you do that, don't suck your belly in all the way, like you're not wanting to go past what you would normally have your belly at. Just push it out and bring it back to normal. So breathing through tension. Always be breathing. I'd rather you go slower, do less, but maintain your breath. Now for this stretch, there's two directions that we're going to go. One is you're going up to the side, and I'm doing this way faster than you would normally do it. And you're basically going sideways, bring your hands up to the top, breathe there a couple times, and then you bring your hands back down. And then you're going to do the same, but going forward. You're going to bring your hands up, hang out, stretch at the top, make yourself really tall, as high as you can, maybe go a little bit on each side, gives it a little bit of side bend in there, and then as you come back down, always remember to breathe. And the variations on these are actually based on your hands. So I did this with open hands. Now if you want to stretch different muscles, you can actually twist your hands and then do it. Bring it up and bring it down, and also twist the opposite direction. This will stretch different areas in your muscles. And of course also do it sideways. And then another way is you can actually make a fist, and the same, twist the arms, bring it up, and then bring it back down. Now ideally you want to do it as slow as possible. So this might be the speed, and I'm going to start here just so you can see it. So it's very, very slow, and I can feel the difference even in my muscles. I can pay much more attention to where there might be tension, and as I'm moving, how that tension is moving. So I have much more time to be aware of what's going on in my body. And that can be really helpful in figuring out where you might be tight or where you're very loose. And the more you are aware of your body and the better you know yourself, the more you can communicate and figure out what your body needs, what you need to be the best possible you. Thanks.